131, I appreciate the water gate, no go down.
Not a full one. Again up to get on down.
30 dBs on the back door, bye.
30 dBs on a back door? Well, you better check that back door, man. You sure that ain't a screen door?
Bulldozer, he's smoking my copying antenna for the back, right?
Right before, I would check that back door. If you got a bulldozer plowing in there with 30 dBs for your back door, I would go up there making sure that's not a screen door. I would get something a little bit more substantial.
It's a flat door, so that tells you I got it fixed to you. So that tells you what I'm doing. My Audiojunky, I'll see if I can jump around and make some noise around your town too. Audiojunky, Bulldozer, bomb. Bulldozer, I got you 30 dBs on the back door. 30 dBs on the back door, Bulldozer. Audiojunky said that, right? Alright, Audiojunky, I appreciate the radio check, man. He's doing your thing down here too, mate. Hey, back to front to back. Audiojunky, Bulldozer, go. Check, Bulldozer, check, man. Check, man. We'll scream at you. Hopefully we don't get roasted. I got too much confusion, man. I heard Audiojunky, Treeclimber, and a few other guys key up. Couldn't really work out what was going on. I'm reading the mail right here, right now. I'm going.
You know what I gotta say? Hey, Mr. Bulldozer.
That thing needs more power. That thing needs more power. That thing needs more power. That's all it needs.
And the Bulldozer is pushing right through Audiojunky. Treeclimber along. Yeah, might be the rock climber.
You just need someone to clean out. Yeah, I think you just need somebody to clean out your receive. That's all you need. Do a little radio clean out. Here, I'm going to bring a raid and see if I can take out some of them bumblebees. Get those bumblebees out of the radio, man. They make a lot of noise.
I see if I spread a bit of Vegemite out on the band. I think I heard old Moonlighter out there too. Hey, Mustang, I heard old Moonlighter out there, bro.
All right, on that Moonlighter. Right on that Moonlighter. Well, he's going to have to work. You tell that Moonlighter, if he's going to want to talk, he's going to have to work, man. Ain't going to make anything easy for nobody. Hey, Bulldozer, that Dublucker's going to have to work for everything he gets. Come on.
Man, I can't work out what's going on. It's all rough and tough, all jammed up. Bulldozer, no clue, not down.
Hey, all right, you. Yeah, here's your Bulldozer. Hey, Bulldozer, I say he's going to have to work for everything he's getting. That Dublucker's going to have to work for everything he's getting. Ain't nothing going to be free. Come on.
Just a big old pile up. I can't work it out. Just a big... Maybe someone's got to turn on their two-pill or something. Hey, is one of you... Hey, Moonlighter, Mustang, is one of you guys got a two-pill that can hit on their back?
Hey, I got to turn this thing more to Hawaii. Yeah, he turned his Dublucker more to Hawaii. There's mud ducking out here. Hey, Bulldozer. There's 131 just ducking the mud, and I'm gone.
Yeah, I just heard you now on the end there, 131, but we know everyone keyed up together, man. I can't pull it out. It's too hard. I can't work out what's going on. Hey, 131, take care. I'm waiting for someone to put some, pump it up or something, or get off the driver. I'm waiting for someone to put some DBs in this raggedy-ass radio. Break.
Right, Joe, I'm going to let Mr. Moonlighter down. He's going to have to key up with a big old mom. That Dublucker's going to have to key on down with a big old maul because like I can't get the job done. Hey, Bulldozer, this radio cannot get the job done, so I don't want to get run on over. Come on.
Well, you got the job done that time there, 131. Someone sounded like they're pressing a doorbell. You hear like, boop, or the engaged signal on the telephone or something. You just got up there in there, 131, but it's rough and tough. Hey, 131, I think I heard Moonlighter right at the end go, over.
Right, a full game over, game over, game over. Just tell them game over. That thing needs more power.
It needs more power, that's all it needs.
That thing needs more power. That thing needs more power. That thing needs more power. That's all it needs. 131. Getting on down.
Yeah, swing that bit longer, 131, that's about it. When it's both together, can't work it out. Hey, 131, take care, Moonlighter, nice try. Now you want to get a bit, do the left of the Roger or something. Moonlighter, I got down. Amen. I don't care, 131, I ain't trying to see if you can hear my back scatter. I don't care, Mustang, the Moonlighter said, over.
Hey, what's going on, Mr. Moonlighter? Yeah, the backscatter's working pretty good tonight. That backscatter's working, my friend. No pain, no strain, sounding good this way. Bouncing off that scatter, 131. With Mojave Desert Wave. Come on.
Hey, I gotta move my beams down there, 131, right?
Well, that's the difference. You got about 30 pounds, 20 to 30 pounds there, boss. Audiojunky, that's what made the difference there. Break.
Heard somebody say 131. Heard somebody saying 131. Come on.
Union, Boss Monkey, man, that sounded a bit rough. Hey, Boss Monkey, so if I got 30 dB on the back, well, I got about 30 dB on the front. Hey, Boss, I got about 5 dB the right way there, break.
Well, that just turned into a train wreck. Well, that damn Miranda Dupluck just turned into a train wreck, man. I don't even know what I'm hearing. Well, them bumblebees flew up into my radio. Come on.
20, 30 dB. When you get off the mall, I hear old Moonlighter and 131 trying to, I don't know, maybe they're talking to each other. Brass Monkey, Audiojunky, doing your thing. Scrub City, Bulldozer, go!
Hey, I enjoy vacation around Australia.
Hey, Brass, hey, Audiojunky, I'm excited, bye!
Ain't got no good news. Swear, man, in Hollywood's coming.
Boy, it just dropped on that real quick, didn't it?